Alright, so here we are with the tractor conversion. I got the motor installed yesterday. I showed that in the previous video a little bit. Yeah, so it's installed in the tractor, coupled to the original 2-speed transmission using a shaft that I built and bearings to support it to keep all the weight and stress off the electric motor, using a chain coupler similar to what the original transmission is coupled to the 2-speed. Let's see, what do we got? So I'm just using the recirculating pump for cooling. No radiator yet. It's 32 degrees right now, so not much chance of it getting too hot for what I'm doing. Parking pole motor there that I showed in another video, and the electronics. I've got a laptop out here just to tune the PID algorithm that was a little sluggish when I first hooked it up, because I had it tuned for a motor with no load on it. Now that it has a load, it works differently. So I'm gonna hit the switch twice because that's how it works when it doesn't have the antenna hooked up. And I'm gonna put it in drive, hear the parking pole motor turn, and here we've got our Arduino with the speed control on it. I'm gonna crank this up to about 800 RPM. That's maintaining that speed. It's just sort of a idle speed for a normal ICE engine. So now I'm going to show you the hydraulics working, steering works. Push the clutch in, see the transmission more or less stop. Spins a little bit. Come around to the back, see my tow truck to move the tractor around. So the PTO shaft, I put it in gear, spins, out of gear, clutch. I guess it's not really gear, but so I'm going to drop the 3-point hitch hydraulics. So they go down and pull them back up, raises up. Pretty slow because of the slow speed that I have it running at right now. And what else? Guess we can crank it up a little faster. You can hear how much noise all the old transmission and gearboxes make. Obviously I haven't tried putting it in gear yet. So once I do that, I'm sure it'll make a whole lot of more noise with the gearbox, but transmission. But that's what I got today. That's a big milestone. So the next step is going to be to take the battery box as it is and mount it underneath the tractor. I believe that'll have enough clearance to be usable for what I use it for, which is cutting hay. And this area right here above the 2-speed transmission is where that old gas tank used to be. My plan is to build a box, maybe prototype it out of plywood, and then make it out of steel once I get the dimensions I want, and use that box to hold all the electronics, potentially making a pop-up display for the original Nissan display to show up above the original dashboard here. Still haven't quite decided what to do with the original dashboard. If we come up here, I've seen some people use servos to run some of the original gauges to make it look original. That might be interesting. It'll be down the road if I do that. Initial goal was just to get something that actually functions. Also need to mount the radiator. Probably put the original grill back on there, which is this grill over here that's made out of cast iron. Weighs, I don't know, maybe 300 pounds or so. It's, has a dual purpose of being a counterweight on the front as well as there for looks. All right, anyway, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.